Today, we're doing a bald head. Note that the bald head is nothing but a medium martini with a dash of absinthe. I should also add a note that this is like sort of a modification of a straight up martini style cocktail. Since that's the situation, it's basically just like a bunch of booze. So we're looking at some gin, we're looking at some vermouth, we're looking at some absinthe. But we're mixing vermouths and absinthe has come into the mix. So, it's the same cocktail as a medium martini, basically. I actually think we did a medium martini earlier, like super early in the videos, because those are the very basic drinks. And maybe I'll do this in a martini glass just to be fancy. That seems like the right thing to do. It doesn't specify. This is actually in the cocktails, which are all iced. So this is the bald head. Starts off with 1 part French vermouth. With 1 part sweet vermouth. So equal parts of vermouth at this point. And at this point I mean for the entirety of the thing. I don't know why that would change. Got 4 parts gin. I was using the small boys, small side of the jigger for the other ones, so we'll only need 2 of the big part. I feel like you can hear my dogs skittering around, skittering with their claws. Then it says 1 to 2 dashes of absinthe. I have said this before, but dashes are basically 10 drops. 10 drops is a dash. So when you don't have like the little nipple, it is very hard to do just dashes. So we're just going to do a slight pour. Add some ice into this sucker. Then shake this up. And since it's basically just supposed to be like a martini, but a little bit different. Put it in a martini glass. It's really weird because it does say to serve it with several ice cubes, but it also says to garnish with a lemon. This is called the bald head. What do you think, Vanya?
She thinks it sounds cool.
Yeah, she also just ate, and also her dad is a bald head. Smell it.
Smells like licorice. Absinthe?
Not bad. Not great. It is good for like a martini style cocktail.
Actually, I like it.
Yeah, pretty good.
I like licorice though, so.
Yeah, if you like absinthe, a couple of dashes actually goes quite a long way. It combines well with the 2 different types of vermouth, and you know, like the gin does not drown out the flavors of the other things, so not bad. And also this lemon peel, wildly unnecessary. It adds nothing except for an aesthetic. Anyways, congratulations to our beautiful bird, and good luck with this drink, y'all.